welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung Auto Lock not working. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is check your smart lock and extended unlock settings. For that, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings on your device and then head over to settings on your device. From here, what you'll have to do is search for smart lock, tap on smart lock, and then tap on smart lock again. You may have to draw your pattern if you're going to get into smart lock. And then set smart lock up, and then look for extended unlock and turn off active settings like trusted places, trusted devices, or on body detection. The other thing that you can do is add the screen timeout settings. For that, what you can do is head back over to your display settings, and then in the search bar simply type in screen timeout, tap on screen timeout under display, and then tap on screen timeout again and set it to your preference. You must also disable any conflicting apps and admin permissions that you may have given to any new apps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.